Chapter 11. The World of Plants. We will learn types of plants. Where do plants grow? Some unusual plants. Uses of plants. New plants. There is a huge variety of plants on the earth. They are of different sizes and shapes. They make their own food and give us many things like food and clothing. Plants give us oxygen to breathe. Types of plants. Trees are the biggest plants. They are tall and strong. They have a thick, hard, woody stem called the trunk. Neem, gulmohar, banyan and mango are some examples of trees. Most trees live for many years. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They are small, bushy plants like rose, hibiscus and cotton. They have hard and thin stems with many branches. They also live for many years. Very small plants like spinach, grass and mint have a thin, weak stem and live only for one season. They are called herbs. Weak plants such as pea plant, grapevine and money plant have very thin stem and need a support to stand. They are called climbers. Creepers grow along the surface of the ground. They are very weak plants such as pumpkin, muskmelon and watermelon. They have thin and soft stems. Fact file. Banana plant is not a tree. It is a herb. Where do plants grow? Plants grow almost everywhere, on land, in or near water. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Types of terrestrial plants. Plants in the hills. There are some plants that grow on the hills where the climate is cold and dry. Hilly areas are covered with coniferous trees that are tall and have needle-like leaves. Pine and spruce are some examples. Desert plants. Some plants grow in hot, dry deserts where there is very little or no rainfall. Cactus and date palm are some examples. The leaves of cactus are reduced to spines. Plants in marshy area. Plants that grow in marshy areas where the soil is sticky and waterlogged are called mangroves. These plants have breathing roots that grow above the soil to take in air. Types of aquatic plants. The plants that grow in or near water are called aquatic plants. Submerged plants. Hydrilla and tape grass are submerged plants. Fixed plants. Lotus and water lily are fixed plants. Their roots are fixed in the soil and the plants float on the waterbed. Floating plants. Duckweed and watermeal are floating plants. Some unusual plants. Some plants eat insects. Such plants are called insectivorous plants. The Venus flytrap catches an insect between its leaves. The pitcher plant and sundew are some examples of it. Moles, mushrooms and yeast are non-green plants. They get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Uses of plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways. They are our green friends. Plants give us fibers such as cotton and jute. We make cloth from fibers. Plants give us food in the form of vegetables, fruits, pulses, cereals, spices, coffee, sugar and oil. We make many medicines from plants like neem, tulsi, eucalyptus. Wood of trees is also used as fuel for fire and light. Plants also give us rubber and paper. We use wood of trees such as teak for making furniture and toys. Some more uses of plants. Plants give us shade. Plants are home to many birds and animals. Plants keep their air clean and also help in bringing the rain. Plants are used for landscaping and making the environment beautiful. New plants. There are many new plants, fruits and vegetables available in the market nowadays that were not there when our grandparents were children. Broccoli, vegetable. Kiwi, fruit. Soya bean, crop and tulips, flowers are some examples of new plants. Many plants were grown in other countries and brought to India. Plants are an important part of our lives. We should take care of them. Keyword: trunk, woody stem of a tree. Spinach, leaves of a plant used to eat. Desert, a sandy area. Mangroves, plants growing in marshy areas. Points to recall: there is a huge variety of plants on the earth. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers are different types of plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Plants that grow in or around water are called aquatic plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways. They are our green friends.